Where are we going?
The woods.
To the woods, to the forest. And inside the Clark. Tang, tang, tang. Hey, listen. No touching of things, okay? And then no pointing. Let's just observe.
Look. Adventure time now.
Whoa, look at sa apo, look up.
What's in the garage at Siren Head? Open, kapre.
Whoa. Again ha, no touching of anything. Observe lang. Smile, sabi? Do like this. Again. Again. Alright. Do you go up, ha? Wait lang. Ato sa'yo observe. Mga pamyanasan, mga crickets. Ano pointing?
What cricket lagi?
Where?
That's tree.
Muna siyang sounds. Wow, we saw insect here, guys. One. Oh, this is empty. It's just the skin. See? Whoa.
But I think the trees are taller. Yeah, we have woods everywhere.
So, son, get a stick. Get a stick. That stick off.
What stick?
That stick there.
Good?
No, the bigger one. That one. Here. Then use that one to tap the ground.
Okay.
No, just na siya. The purpose of that one is just, for example, you saw something in the side, you just like this. Do not use your hands, okay?
Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go. Adventure time. Talk to the camera, Zeke.
Whoa. Yeah, pero lagi ito kayo na naman sa corner.
Hey, let's stop over. Let's observe what we can show here. Whoa! Look up. Whoa! Oh, muna sila. Mga na sila.
Yeah, the butterfly.
Good? Whoa.
Look, 30.
Mga warrior ants.
So another one. Two to go. Whoa. Yan yung DMN.
Say hi to them.
Give like a 1-minute explanation.
You stand up there. I will take a picture. Zeke, dito lang kay gianay na basi mahulog. 1, 2, 3. Right. Alright guys, this is the top view. And then there's the edge there. So this is not safe because there's a termite already in the wood. So we're gonna let's go back na.
Yeah.
Alright, let's.
Ano yung house termite?
Yeah. This is the end of our adventure time. But we will continue recording because maybe we can see some insects. or a snake. Whoa, did you hear that sound?
Sir, there's another way there.
Oh, that's a wrong turn.
Left or right? What's this?
Talk to the camera, son. Hey, that's a wrong turn. Alright, that's fine.
If you have enough, I'll go here.
No.
Yeah,
Just
termite. Okay, take it.
don't run. No running down, guys. Alright, we're back in the ground. Thank you for the adventure, guys. Bye.